Can I save you a subscription? Seriously, because that's the question I ask myself every time a new AI tool pops up. Not, can it generate something cool? Almost every AI tool can do that now. The question is, will you still be using it 30 days after you pay for it? That's where most AI tools fail. So before you subscribe to Zeely AI, here's what I'd pay attention to. The first thing is, who is this tool actually for? If you're running a small business, selling products online, creating ads, or trying to publish content consistently, you'll probably get a lot more value out of it than someone who only creates content once in a while. Context matters a lot. Now, one thing I always watch for with AI tools is this: do they actually save time, or do they just move the work somewhere else? Because those are completely different things. If I still have to spend 20 minutes fixing everything after the AI is done, did it really save me time? Maybe, maybe not. That's why I wouldn't judge Zeely AI by its feature list. I'd judge it by one real project. Create something you'd normally make anyway. Maybe it's a product video, maybe it's a social media ad, maybe it's content for a client. Then compare two things. How long did it take? And more importantly, would you be happy publishing the result? Because speed without quality isn't much of a win. Here's another mistake I see all the time. People buy an annual subscription after watching one impressive demo. Don't do that. Try the platform first if there's a free plan or trial. Build something real. See how it fits into your workflow. That's a much smarter way to decide. Now let's talk about value. If Zeely AI helps you create better content faster, or helps you launch ads without spending hours editing, then the subscription can make sense, especially if you're a freelancer, agency owner, or a business that's producing content every single week. But if you're only going to open it once a month, you're probably paying for convenience you won't actually use. And honestly, that happens with more AI subscriptions than most people realize. So, would I tell everyone to subscribe? No, I tell you to answer one question first. Will this tool replace work you're already doing, or just become another icon sitting in your bookmarks? That's the question that really matters. Now I want your opinion. What's one AI subscription you've paid for that turned out to be completely worth it, or completely disappointing? Drop the name in the comments. I think we're all looking for tools that actually earn their monthly price.